Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Ghost Rider helmet. We will cover everything from selecting your base to adding those incredible fiery details. This project is a fantastic way to bring a beloved character to life with your own hands. You will learn about the key materials and techniques to achieve a truly authentic look. Get ready to ignite your creativity and craft a helmet that will turn heads at any event or display. To begin your Ghost Rider helmet project, you will need a few essential items. A full-face helmet provides the perfect foundation for safety and structure. For sculpting the skull, consider using epoxy clay, which offers excellent detail and strength, or EVA foam for a lighter build. Don't forget a range of sandpaper, from 120 to 400 grit, to achieve a perfectly smooth surface before painting. High-quality paints and a clear coat will ensure your flames look vibrant and last a long time. Now for the exciting part, sculpting the skull. Begin by sketching the basic skull shape directly onto your prepared helmet. Then, start applying your chosen sculpting material, gradually building up the brow, cheekbones, and jaw. Take your time to define the eye sockets and nasal cavity, giving the skull its menacing expression. Once the main forms are established, use sculpting tools to refine details and ensure all surfaces are smooth and seamless, ready for the next stage. The final steps bring your Ghost Rider helmet to life with color and fire. First, apply a good quality primer to ensure paint adhesion. Then, paint the skull with a bone white or aged ivory shade, adding subtle weathering for realism. For the flames, use bright reds, oranges, and yellows, blending them to create a dynamic, flickering effect. For an extra touch, consider embedding small, battery-powered LED lights to give your flames an eerie, glowing appearance, truly capturing the spirit of the Ghost Rider.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.